Hello everyone! Today I'll answer a question many of you have in mind. Can I use a Netflix account in another country? Netflix is the biggest streaming platform all over the world, with over 200 million subscribers subscribed to their services. They have a wide variety of films, TV shows, and original content that make the monthly subscription fee worthwhile. One sad thing though is the geo restrictions that Netflix has. It is a reason why the Netflix library in the US is different from the UK and Canada. And there are certain titles that are unique only to these countries. A lot of people are missing out on the good flicks available in other countries. But to answer your question, it is actually possible to access Netflix from another country. A virtual private network or VPN is a tool that redirects your internet traffic and connects it to a different server provided by your VPN. This basically provides you an alter ego as an internet user, protecting your activity and giving you access to restricted content. When it comes to choosing the best VPN for Netflix, not a lot is advisable. However, one comes to mind, and that is Purevpn. If you really want to access another country's Netflix library with a tool that's effective and a bang for your buck, Purevpn is the one for you. It's also very easy to install Purevpn. You just have to download it first, and you can do it by clicking the link in the description. Next thing is to choose your desired subscription plan. You can choose from their 1-month, 12-month, and 24-month plans depending on how long you plan on using Purevpn. After launching, you have to log in with your credentials before using the VPN. If you've logged in successfully, you'll be shown an overview of the services before finally reaching the main interface. From there, you can now choose a server to which you want to use to access Netflix. Who would have thought that accessing Netflix from another country can be this easy and cheap? You can do it too if you subscribe to Purevpn. If you want to try out their services for free, make sure to click the link below for a free 1-week trial. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this content helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, and keep your notifications open for future uploads. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in our next video.